Alright, well, it's a nice day today, so I'll pull the back seat out and pull the panel out and see what type of damage we have here. But I got the feeling it's going to be a lot. Alright, take trash bag here and I'm going to cut it. That way it covers the whole thing. Alright, take off the seatbelt now. Let's get a pipe on that one. Now, if you want to take this off, I'm going to show you what to do. See, there's clips behind here. You just gingerly pop up the clip, like so. See that slit right there? Take the seatbelt, okay? And you put it right through that slit. And there you go, it comes right off. Then you can take this, store it whatever you want to, because this one's still good. In case you guys don't know, that's how it works. That's how you take off the ornate, decorated seatbelt cover. Alright, well, that's all tore up. I'll vacuum it later, but I got the heavy stuff out of the way. And right now I am waiting on installation. So I got some of this ordered up. I got a lead on some panels. I don't know if it's going to come through or not, but I can't use these panels. I mean, you can see these things they're shot, they're done. So that's pretty much it. I'm just waiting on parts right now. But for the moment, if you would please hit the thumbs up button if you like this content. Subscribe if you want to see more of this. It doesn't hurt, you know, don't cost you nothing to hit the subscribe button. Tap the notification bell, that way you know up to date on what I'm doing here on the car and my other things I got going on this channel. But that's all I got for now. I'm just waiting on parts. So later.